So we have discussed about uses of and. Uses of and is clear now. Uses of the is also clear. Just one topic is remaining, that is uses of a. If the first letter, the first thing we have to check out is after blank. After blank. Blank के बाद वाला ही check करना है. After blank, which letter? First letter, second letter, third letter, which one? Blank के बाद कौन सा letter check करना है? First letter. We have to check out the first letter. If the first letter is vowel, A, E, I, O, U. Suppose if the first letter is vowel, like A, E, I, O, U. So what we have to use? What we have to use in this blank? The first letter is A, E, I, O, U, or sometimes semi-vowel and sometimes semi-vowel and. So what we have to use? A, N or the? And with vowels, with semi-vowels, we have to use and. The second, if the if after blank, if there is something famous, if there is something famous, अगर blank के बाद कोई famous कुछ चीज हो, so what we have to use with उसके साथ हम क्या use करेंगे? If after blank there is something famous thing, okay? If after blank there is something famous thing, कुछ प्रसिद्ध चीज है, so what we have to use in this blank? The. If after blank there is sun, अगर blank के बाद क्या हो? Sun. So sun is what? How many sun is there in the world? One. Unique or not unique? Uniqueness. So unique. So what we have to use? A, N or the? The. Clear now? Now let's discuss about the uses of A. Uses of A. Suppose after blank there is a simple thing. There is a simple thing. After blank there is a simple thing. This one is not vowel. This one is not vowel. The first letter is not vowel. The first letter is not vowel. The first letter is not a famous thing. The first letter is not a famous thing. First letter is not vowel. First letter is not semi-vowel. First letter is not famous thing. So what we can be used and can be used the. First letter is not vowel. पहला letter vowel नहीं है. First letter is not semi-vowel. पहला letter semi-vowel भी नहीं है. First letter or this word is not world famous. ये ना तो world famous है, nor unique. ना तो world famous है, ना ही unique है. So can we use N or the? इसमें N और the लगा सकते हैं. Can we use N or the? N और the लगा सकते हैं इसमें. So what is that? क्या बचेगा फिर? A. So for this condition, what we have to use? A. Clear now? So this is the answer. So with what we can use a. With what we can use a, guys, a किसके साथ use कर सकते हैं? If the first letter is not vowel, if the first letter is not semi vowel. Second condition, after blank, the first word is not even world famous. Blank के बाद जो पहला चीज है वो world famous भी नहीं है. And if something is not world famous, if this one is not even superlative degree, ये superlative degree भी नहीं है. So if the word is not superlative, not world famous, अगर वो letter ना ही superlative है और ना ही world famous है, so can we use the? उसमें the लगा सकते हैं? No. So the cancel. The first letter is not vowel. पहला letter vowel नहीं है. Can we use an? The first letter is not even semi-vowel. पहला letter semi-vowel भी नहीं है. Can we use an? So what is it? क्या बचा उसमें? A. So what we will use? A. Clear now? Confirm? There's no doubt. Okay, so let's see some examples. I'm writing here some questions. Okay. dash new word century he has cow dash sun is rising. The sun is rising. He is dash most handsome boy. This is dash ball. This is dash ball. How many blanks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many blanks we have? 5 blanks. We have 5 blanks. Focus here. What's the condition? What we have to check out? Check क्या करना होता है? After blank, which letter? Blank के बाद कौन सा letter देखना है? First letter. After blank, we have to check out the first letter. So let's solve the first one. Where is the blank? In the first one, where is the blank? Here is blank.
Yes, sir.
So after blank, so which word we have to check out, or which letter we have to check out? First letter. What's the first letter?
N.
N. So N is vowel.
No, sir.
N is vowel.
No, sir.
New. New is world famous or unique thing.
No, sir.
So what we have to use here?
A.
Second, he has dash cow. He has dash cow. So what's the condition? We have to check out the first letter after blank. The first letter after blank. So after blank, what's the first letter? C. So C is what? C is vowel.
No, sir.
C is semi vowel.
No, sir.
And cow is unique. दुनिया में बस एक ही cow है.
No, sir.
So can we use n or the लगा सकते हैं.
No, sir.
So what is left? क्या बचा?
A.
So what we have to use? A. Second dash sun is rising. सूर्य उदय हो रहा है. After blank, the first letter is vowel.
No, sir.
The first letter is vowel.
No, sir.
So can we use n? N लगा सकते हैं?
No, sir.
No. But see sun. S-U-N. Sun. What are we talking about? किस चीज के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं?
Sir.
Sun means सूर्य. Sun means सूर्य. So sun is unique or not?
Unique.
Unique means जो दुनिया में एक ही हो. So for unique things what we use? A, N or the?
The.
So what we have to use here?
The.
Here he is dash most handsome boy. What is written here? Most. So most is which degree?
Superlative.
Most is superlative degree. Now Sanj will tell me the answer only. Sanj, with for superlative degree, what we use? A, N or the? A, N or the? For superlative degree, what we use? The. For superlative degree, what we use, guys? The. So he is the most handsome boy. Because what's the identification of superlative degree? One is most and another one is EST. If the last letter are EST, so that one is superlative degree. If there is written most, most, M-O-S-T, most, so that one is also superlative degree. So if there is superlative degree, so what we have to use with superlative degree? The. Next one, this is dash ball. This is dash ball. What's the condition? After blank, we have to check out the first letter. So here's the blank. It's blank now.
Yes, sir.
After blank, what's the first letter?
B.
B. So B is vowel.
No, sir.
B is semi-vowel.
No, sir.
Okay, so what is written? Okay, B is not neither vowel nor semi-vowel. B ना तो vowel है ना ही semi-vowel है. So can we use A? Sorry, can we use N?
No, sir.
N use कर सकते हैं.
No, sir.
Now what is written? Ball. B-A-L-L. Ball. So ball is unique. दुनिया में बस एक ही ball है.
No, sir.
Not unique ना. So can we use the? The का use कर सकते हैं.
No, sir.
No. So what is left?
A.
A. So what we have to use?
A.
This is a ball. This is a ball. Is this clear now? Just note down this also. Uses of A, N, and the. Note down this.